Hello, welcome to Xcell Medical Group. My name is Dr. Fabian. Let me show you around. So Xcell Medical Group is a multidisciplinary office. We have a bunch of different professions under one roof. We have an orthopedic physician, chiropractic, massage therapy, durable medical equipment. You know, having all those different professions under one roof really allows us to maximize the patient's response to treatment. So what you're looking at here is this is the main therapy floor. This is where we do our physical therapy. We got two wonderful therapists that treat our patients. So I'm going to show you the first exam room here. This is actually a treatment room. This is where Dr. Washi does a lot of her stuff with the patients. Things from trigger point therapy, sphenopalatine ganglion blocks, greater occipital nerve blocks. And we're coming out this way, so we're going to move over into the therapy section, the passive therapies, where we have electrical muscle stimulation, ultrasound therapy. We turn around behind you here, two of our massage therapists work out in this room. We have three wonderful massage therapists that are really good at what they do. So we come into here. This is our digital x-ray suite. So we can take x-rays in office of our patients. Again, that's nice because a lot of times you go to a doctor's office and they send you out to a different location. We do it here. Makes treating patients a lot easier. All right, we're gonna come back out into the main therapy area. The next room we're going to go into is the fluoroscopy room. What fluoroscopy is, it's real-time live x-ray. And what this does is this allows Dr. Hawashi to actually watch the injections going into the joint, whether it be a knee, shoulder, a hip, or an ankle. What we also have in here is where a lot of our processing for regenerative therapy happens. Our PRP and A2M treatments are processed in this room and done in the room. So we're coming back out this way. We're going to come into the back side of the office. You know, we've gone through 3 different builds out here, and we currently occupy a little over 4,000 square feet. We keep having to do this so we can treat our patients better. Let me show you an exam room here. Yeah, so this is one of the treatment options for Dr. Hawashi, where she does her initial exams and follow-up exams and functional examinations. Come on out here. So then this is the exit desk. So I appreciate you letting me show you around, and come and see us sometime.